Hey guys, this is the overview of the Puma XLE of the 2023 line. There are about 8 different floor plans by them, I believe, as well as a toy hauler series, but we're going to hit on the travel trailers. So of course you have a heated and enclosed underbelly on all their campers. Lots of different upgrade options from everything as far as power stabilizer jacks, dual ACs, fireplaces, lots of different upgrades. Tinted windows on these, 2 different color combinations. I'm going to simplify them down as gray and brown, but cafe latte and slate are the two different names for them. Awesome awnings, awesome tire upgrades options as well, aluminum rims and stuff like that. But let's check out the inside and tell you a little bit of the options on the inside you can do. Hey guys, so this is the inside of the Puma XLEs. Awesome white interiors on all these. With the paint scheme at least to help give it a nice big interior feel. This specific color, the one we're in, is the slate, so again just a gray color to help make it again feel big. The other color options brown or cafe latte, if you will. Again, lots of different floor plans, everything from bunkhouses to sweetheart campers to toy haulers. The Puma XLE line has a lot of different options. 30 amp campers, 50 amp campers, dual AC setups. Lots of different options, solid surface countertops, fireplaces, TV mounts. There's just too many options to mention. Give us a call here at RV Wholesalers to hear more about them. Hope to see you. Hope to hear from you.